Hi, you are watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh. As it is extremely hot outside, we are at Agriculture Meteorology Department of PAU to know about the present weather condition and what are the predictions of the coming days. We are having with us Dr. P.K. Kingra, head of the department. Ma'am, what are the present weather conditions of Ludhiana and the region?
Yeah, if we see the prevailing weather conditions, we are observing intense heat wave conditions in the region from last few days. And if we see the prevailing temperatures, today's daytime temperature was 41 degrees centigrade, whereas normal daytime temperature for today is 39.1 degrees centigrade. So it's about 1.9 degrees centigrade higher than normal. And if we see the minimum temperature, today it was recorded 28.8 degrees centigrade, whereas normal minimum temperature for today is 23 degrees centigrade. So it's 5.8 degrees centigrade higher than normal. And if we see the minimum temperature for last few years, in 2016 it was 29 degrees centigrade, and after that there was less minimum temperature, which was around 22 or 24 or 26 degrees centigrade. But after 2016, today we have recorded 28.8 degrees centigrade, which is quite higher.
As of now, which is the hottest day this month?
This month, I think 2 or 3 days before, we observed 43.4 degrees centigrade temperature, which was hottest for Ludhiana. And from tomorrow, we observed some decrease in temperature. Yesterday it was 42 degrees centigrade, and today it is 41 degrees centigrade. But since for the coming days there is no prediction of development of any western disturbance system, so there are no chances of rain in the coming days. So coming 4 to 5 days, we are expecting more intense heat wave conditions in the region.
So as you said that there is expectations of more intense heat wave, what are your suggestions to the residents?
So because in the coming days there are chances of more intense heat wave conditions, IMD has given red alert for coming 4 to 5 days for heat wave conditions. So for this, we advise the farmers that they should irrigate their crops frequently with light irrigation from time to time. And secondly, farmers should adjust their working hours, because 11 to 4 p.m. We have very intense heat. So they should adjust their working hours accordingly. Either they should work before 11 or they should work after 4 o'clock. And secondly, to common people, we will say that you should avoid direct exposure to the sun. Don't go out from your houses between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Only go if it is very important, otherwise they should avoid. And secondly, they should take proper diet, healthy diet, and they should take plenty of liquids so that they can keep their body hydrated, and they can protect themselves from heat stress.
When monsoon is expected in the region?
Monsoon is expected at the normal time. Like we get information from IMD from time to time. So in April, they have given prediction for the country as a whole, that we are going to get 106% of long period average, and then now we will be getting updates from time to time, and it is expected to be at normal time.
As of now, there is no forecast of rainfall in the region.
For coming days, there is no forecast of rain. There is no development of any rain system. So there will be hot and dry weather conditions, and there are chances of more intense heat wave conditions in the region.
So as in the coming days, there are chances of extreme heat wave condition in the region. Please take precautions and avoid going out between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. You are watching The Savera. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.